Are you looking for a job in a specific city or country? Maybe you're moving, maybe you're looking for a remote job. Today I'm going to show you how to leverage LinkedIn to find the job in your specific location. So let's get started. So you go to your LinkedIn homepage, as you can see here on my screen, and then you click on jobs. So you see jobs in the top right hand corner. So click on that, and then in the left hand menu, you will see preferences. So click on preferences. Okay, so first of all, you want to make sure that your open to work is on. As you can see under preferences, there's a bunch of things. There's my interests, there's job alerts, there's AI trainer project alerts, there's pay. Today, we're just going to focus on the open to work. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, so first of all, you want to add a title. So maybe you're looking for a program manager role. You put program manager. Now, what kind of location? Are you looking to work on site? Are you looking for hybrid? Are you looking for remote? Say you check all three. Okay, so I'm going to remove these locations for now. But say you are looking for an on site job in San Francisco. So you put San Francisco, you can choose the San Francisco Bay Area or just San Francisco, California, US. I know some of you are looking just specifically for on site, some of you are looking for both hybrid going into the workplace and then also working remotely for a bit, and some of you are looking for a totally remote job. If you're only looking for on site and a hybrid, let's unclick that. Then you only add the location for the on site place that you want to work. But say you also are looking for remote options, and you can do that. You can, I mean, LinkedIn's giving you this free feature, this free tool to share what kind of jobs you're looking for in which cities or locations. So you may as well leverage it and use all of them. So besides looking for an on-site job in San Francisco, California, you also maybe want to look for a remote location. Maybe you want to look for a remote job in Singapore. So you select Singapore, and so LinkedIn will show your job search or your profile to recruiters. Maybe recruiters are looking job seekers rather in San Francisco, and also recruiters, that would be a different set of recruiters, are looking to hire for remote jobs that are based in Singapore. Okay, and I'm just giving you examples. Again, you know what kind of job, where, and which city, what type you want to apply for. Okay, so the next step is to decide whether you want to start actively applying or you're casually flexible with looking for a job, whether you want full time, part time, contract, temporary. You can check as many as you want. And then this other piece is really important. It is, if you only want recruiters to see that you're looking for a job, then you check this circle. Okay, because if you're currently working for a company, you don't want recruiters at that company or even employees at that company to know you're looking for a job. If you check the circle that says recruiters only, limited to people using LinkedIn Recruiter, LinkedIn will try their best not to show recruiters at your current company, but they do say we can't guarantee complete privacy. Okay, so just keep that in mind. But if you want to broadcast to everyone on LinkedIn that you are looking for a job, you click the other one. It says all LinkedIn members. So it includes recruiters and people at your current company, people at other companies, people who are in between jobs. Now, in some ways, this is a better option because sometimes there might be colleagues, ex-colleagues, people in your LinkedIn network who might know of an opportunity. They see that you're open to work, they check out your profile, and then they refer you. And this is also why it's very important to have a complete, optimized, updated profile that kind of matches the job title that you're applying for, that matches those skills, showcases your expertise. I do offer one-on-one LinkedIn coaching, LinkedIn profile audits. I'm also doing a LinkedIn profile optimization workshop on August 11th. I will share links to all those in the description if you want help with optimizing your LinkedIn profile. So when recruiters find you and stop your profile, they say, I want to hire this person. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you what happens when I do this, for how I get this open to work little text on my profile when I select all LinkedIn members. So I'm going to save it. Okay, so next I can notify my network that I'm looking for a job. So we can look at this. I'm not going to post it because I'm not looking for a job, but I'm just going to show it to you. So if you want to follow this structure, and then you can let people know that you're looking for a job. So you can see here it says LinkedIn's created this post for me. It says, hi everyone, I'm seeking a new role and would appreciate your support. If you hear of any opportunities or just want to catch up, please send me a message or comment below. I'd love to connect or reconnect. And it has the open to work hashtag. It says a little bit about you based on what you added in the references or included in the references. I'm looking for project manager roles. I'm open to roles in San Francisco. I previously worked. I mean, they don't pay too much attention to this, but this is one of my businesses. It has my name. And then you can post. I don't want to post this because I'm not looking for a job, so I just discard it. But this is something that might be helpful for you, because I think people post on LinkedIn when they're looking for a job and they share details like this. And then sometimes I comment so their posts get more visibility. Some recruiters see that, or some people who know of openings see those posts and then refer them. All right. So that is my tip today for anyone who's looking for a job in a specific city or country, how you can use the LinkedIn job feature or tool to showcase which location you want to work in. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to see more LinkedIn tips like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, and let me know in the comments where or which city or country are you looking for a job in. Thanks for watching. Bye.